In today's video, I'll teach you how to remix reels on Instagram. Remix feature of Instagram lets anyone create a reel that includes all or part of anyone's video that they can download as part of their remix. So if you want to remix the reels, it is actually very simple. For that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open Instagram on your device. You can see over here I've opened the Instagram. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. At bottom, you'll be able to find various icons over here. What you have to do is simply tap on the reel icon. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to the reels interface. What you have to do is find the reel that you would like to remix. After you do that, what you have to do is tap on the three dots that you can see on that particular reel. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. You'll be able to find the options like save, remix, sequence, etc. Tap on this option, remix. Now you'll be able to remix the reel. You'll be able to add the music, text, stickers, filters, recording, etc. If you want to edit this clip, you can also do it by simply swiping up. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to edit the clip, you'll be able to add the clips, audio, text, stickers, etc. After you're done, what you have to do is simply swipe down. Now what you have to do is make the necessary changes to the clip. You can also record the new video or photo if you want. For that, what you have to do is tap on the camera icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Here I'm just going to add the sticker. For that, you'll have to tap on the sticker icon. Now tap on the sticker that you would like to add. Now after you do that, you can see over here the sticker will be added. Now simply tap on the next option that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to upload your remix. What you have to do is simply write a caption over here. Now post the reel as you would normally do. You'll be able to tag the people, add the location, add AI label, etc. Also, you'll be able to change other settings. After you're done, what you have to do is tap on the next option that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to see the information about the reel. Simply tap on this option, share, that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while and your reel will be shared. You can see over here your reel is being uploaded. Now you can see over here your remix reel has been uploaded. So like this, you'll be able to remix the reels. So that is how you remix reels on Instagram. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.